This is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, you need to turn on Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. After that, at the control center, among the shortcuts, look for the one that says nearby share. Here I have it. If you do not have the icon for it, just edit the layout by tapping on this pencil over here and add the nearby share shortcut from the list of unused tiles. So with this out of the way, touch and hold at the nearby share, turn the switch on. From here you can rename the device if you want to. I'll rename it to HardReset.Info, for example. Then you can also change the device visibility mode. First of all, you can obviously turn it on or off, make your device visible or invisible. And while at the while being visible, you can choose the mode that the device is in. So you can make it so that it will be visible only to your devices or to the devices that you have the same Google account signed into, visible to only the people from your contacts list, or to anybody or everyone that is in range. Finally, you can also change the data mode. You can make it so that the feature will use the mobile data, Wi-Fi, only mobile data, only Wi-Fi, or only Bluetooth. So from here, we can already start using the option. So I have some other device on my hands, so it happens. So let me try to send some picture through the nearby share to my Infinix. So I'll go for the share through nearby share option. Alrighty, let me save it first then, because it does not work properly. Whatever is that causes this issue. And from here I'll go into photos. And well, let's say I'll send this image, whatever. So share through nearby. Now we'll wait until our Infinix gets discovered over here, over here. That is odd. We've gotten, as you could have seen, we've gotten the notification. So here we have it. Now we gotta receive the transfer, accept the transfer at the receiver's end, which I'm going to do now. And as you can see, our picture has been successfully received at the Infinix phone. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.